Hey y'all, this is Grace at Living Well Realty. I am back in the Tribute today, checking up on this stunning house built by American Legend Homes. It is beautiful and I'm so excited to give you an update, so let's go take a look. Okay, this house is looking so stunning. I am super excited. So since the last time I was here, all of this landscaping has been installed. So you have this tree at the front of the house. Your grass, once they water it, it'll eventually turn green. I know it looks a bit dead right now. But then you have some really cute little flowers, a mix of plants, and then this little stone retaining wall. Just looks really cute. These plants are having a hard time in this heat, which I am too, I don't blame them. So then you have this covered entryway, which is so nice because Texas, it gets both super hot but also super windy. So it'll provide a nice little relief as you're coming in the house. All right, and so your door will be installed soon. They still have the construction door up. But this is looking beautiful. So I already walked the house just to kind of see what updates we have and some really pretty fun things to look for this time. So last time I was here, there was a big hole in this wall, which they have patched up, and they're gonna come back through, repaint, do the kind of final touch-ups. But that's exciting. The closet is the same as last time. Then I'll give you a look at the full bathroom. So they do have the floors uncovered, if you'll see this pretty tile. And then you have the black faucets, and they'll come and do the shower head, of course. I love that window up there, provides a bit of natural light, but you still have so much privacy. Just love having windows in the bathroom. All right, and then we will come look at the mudroom and the laundry room. So here's that mud bench. Great place, you can put some little hooks up, hang coats or purses. And then this is the laundry room. So they did move those cabinets to that back wall, and they still have the floors covered, but it's a really fun patterned tile. And they did lay it longwise, which is important. It just makes the room look a little bit longer, just kind of perception. And we love builders who think about those little details because some just don't consider it. But American Legend was so smart in doing that. And I've actually talked to the construction manager about it, and he's super intentional about doing that, making sure to utilize all of the space and then perception. So this is the formal dining space. The biggest thing in here, of course, is the light fixture. Hard to miss, it's so beautiful. And then you do have a matching one in the kitchen. So really pretty. In here you have so much white space, just makes it feel really bright. And then those black accents, really pretty. Here is a better look at the countertops. So you have these light gray veins, and then you have almost a bit of tan, which ties into the stone on the fireplace. So I'll show you that in just a second. I also just love this backsplash. It's a white subway tile, but there's some texture in it. So it's kind of like wavy. And it looks like it's almost fluid or liquid. I think it's really cool. So then we'll come over here, give you a look at the pantry. So you have a lot of open shelving. Put baskets or canisters. All right, and then let's look at this fireplace. So this adds just a big statement to the entire room. It kind of adds some color, a bit of texture. And then you have that mantle in there, and then the fireplace tucked in. So really cool, the colors over here tying with the countertops, so great design selections. And then I love these sliding doors, such a fun investment. opens up to this patio. And you can see they have the fence posts up. So that is exactly where the fence will be. Hopefully next time I'm out here, they'll have the fence up so you can better see that. But they do have the sod blade. Then here is the master suite. So really nice high ceilings, the fan, great natural light. And they do have the electricity and the AC is on, which means that they passed the inspection to get the gas going. So that's really exciting. We are moving right along. The next steps are obviously going to be the flooring in all of the bedrooms, main living space. The bathroom has been done for a while. And I know I always say it, but I think this is my favorite bathroom. It's so pretty. I love the color of these cabinets with the black mirrors and light fixtures, faucets. And then the floors are so pretty. It's just very elegant and timeless, and I love that it just brings in a bit of color and texture. Here's a better look at the shower. So you have tile all the way almost up to the ceiling. And then the same tile that's on the floor in here is what's behind the bathtub. Then we will take a look at the closet. So I believe this is all the same as last time. They do have the lights in though. Just a great use of space, lots of hanging space. You have a little bit of everything. So you have some shelving storage, different lengths of hanging. If you have long coats or dresses, shirts, bottoms, it'll all fit. Great diversity. So that is wonderful. Just some really great updates. It's so fun. Also, it feels really good in here. I'm glad they have the AC on. I was a little nervous because it's been over 100 degrees in Texas, which I just saw. It's the third hottest recorded summer in Texas. So I swear it's not normally like this. If you're looking to move here from out of state, it's not always this bad. But this is a pretty hot summer. So let's go take a look upstairs now. So again, they will finish up the flooring. That'll be next. You'll see like just small places that they'll fix up the paint. All right, so this is what's called the game room. So it's kind of a loft space, super fun for a pool table, place to play games, hang out. You have lots of windows up here. All of this looks out into the kitchen and living space. Right off of here is the media room. So you also have high ceilings up here, which is really nice. Light fixtures are in. Over here is the closet. That's where you could keep movies, games. And then the French doors. Y'all need to let me know. I mean, I said you could put movies in there. Do y'all still have DVDs, VHS, or is it all streaming now? I think my family still has a closet with a bunch of DVDs. It's like you invest so much into it. What do you do with them all? All right, so then this is another bedroom upstairs. There are two bedrooms up here. So great space. Again, they'll do the flooring next. And then we will take a look at this bathroom. So let me turn the light on in here. So this is a really nice full bathroom. Has some storage over here. So you have closets, some linen storage. I think this tile is really pretty too. It's these longer tiles used on both the floor and then the shower back here. So that's looking great. And then over here, we have this kind of media area. So normally this would be kind of dead space, but they decided to turn it into this just so it could be usable as a little workspace or just a place to keep mail and all that. You have some cabinets. And then again, more natural light, which I love. This is the second bedroom upstairs. About the same size as the other one, but this ceiling is a bit different. So this one has the one window and then kind of a different roof line. And then this one has the ensuite bathroom, so it's inside the bedroom. And it's a little bit smaller than the other bathroom, but you still have a bit of storage space, the same black faucet. And then it's that same tile in here on the floor and shower. And then the closet is in through the bathroom. So it's pretty big. You have some long hanging space on this side, and then 2 levels over here with shelves in the middle for shoes or folded clothes. Man, y'all, I am excited about this house. It's moving along really fast. Next time I come, hopefully the floors will be done and it'll just be kind of finishing touches from there. Did I show y'all this light fixture? So pretty. So this is in the entryway. Oh man, I love this house. I am so excited. So I'll keep y'all posted, but hopefully just 1 or 2 more videos and we'll be done. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. This house is stunning. I love the design selections and the floor plan. I am so excited for my sweet clients to finally be able to move in so soon. If you are watching this wanting to buy or build in the Tribute or somewhere else, I would love to help you. So click the link below, reach out to me. Until then, y'all stay blessed.